Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and in this video I'm going to talk about the app which I use to upload my Instagram videos or to upload Instagram stories as well. And sometimes I use this app for creating my YouTube videos as well. Okay, now this app is very simple to use, but I'm going to tell you all some hidden features of this app. Why this app is considered by most of the YouTubers is something I'm going to tell you in this video. So do watch this video till the end, and yeah, so without wasting much time, let's get started with it. Okay, so this is my phone screen and I'm going to show you how Quik app actually works out. Okay, so before that, let's go to Play Store and Quik. The spelling of Quik is Quik for this app. Okay, so this is how the app looks like, the blue color Q with a black color background. So if you see here, it has got around 4.7 stars and millions of people have downloaded it. And okay, so one of the best feature about this app is that it is one of the fastest, and it gives you can create videos and it is 100% free. In most of the apps, like if you download and after some time you need to pay for some apps, or some features are like you can't get access to them because you need to pay, but this is 100% free, so that is one of the best thing about it. So if you go here, so these are its features. One is you can add photos, videos, music, text. Okay, also you can auto sync to music or trim shots manually. Like if you select, there is an option, I'll show you later on, there is an option where you can trim it manually, and that gives you the entire video. But if you say sync it, and then it comes only half. So how long is your video, it depends on that. Okay, so and this is again, you can select fonts, filters, and I think this feature is almost in all the apps. So, and there are around 23 beautiful video editing styles, and they are absolutely free. You don't have to pay anything, so that is one best thing. Yeah, that's it, 100% free. So now let's see how Quik app actually works. So now on my phone screen you can see that Quik app is there. I'll just click on that. So these are the videos which I have already saved in my which I have already created on this app, and it got saved. So once you save the videos, it shows you in this. Okay, so I'll just click on the plus sign here and I'll just select a video. Okay, so this is how it will come, and these are the effects which you can put. There are around 23 editing effects which are shown over here. You can select whichever you want, and then the pencil which is shown over here right there, just click on that. Okay, so the first option which is there is add text. So if you want to add text, you can click on that. So this is how it will appear. Okay, so you can put a caption if you want, and if you want a title, you can add title also. Then you can see your highlight option is there. It's same as trim, but I'll show you trim. Okay, so when you click on trim, now there are three options: balanced, manual, and action. Okay, if you click on balance, if you choose balance, and it will show you in cuts, like only within a selected range. It won't show you entire video. But if you click on manual, it shows you the entire video. So this is a good thing about this app. Okay, so mostly when I create video, it depends. If I'm creating a highlight story, then it is balanced, but if it is a video, then it is manual. So this was about trim. Okay, so the next is the sound button. So if you keep it off, you won't hear any sound, so you'll only get the music, okay, which is in this app. But if you are talking on the video and if you want your voice to be heard along with the music, then there is an option which you can set. Just click on that and keep it as mix. Okay, so once you set this option, you can hear your voice as well as the background music. So that's it. This is the layout, the way you want it, like whether you want it landscape or portrait, it depends on you. And if the video is like it's not rotated properly, if it's like ulta or something like that, and you can rotate it. This option is also there on that. Okay, so let's come back now. 1 second. Okay, so if you see here, this is that layout option here down. Then music, this is about the music. Okay, the music logo which is there. Once you click there, you get a number of music. You can select whichever you want. You can also add your music from your gallery as well, but it depends from where you have downloaded the music. Okay, because if you're uploading it on YouTube, then there might be certain restrictions, so it's better to use the music which is shown, which is given by this app. And next to that music button, there are 3 lines which are there. You can click on that. If you click on that, there is this option as duration. So if you select duration, it will give you how long is the video, you can adjust accordingly. So this was about duration. This was again about portrait. As I said, you can keep it either landscape or portrait, whichever option you like. Again, when you set your music, whether you want it at the beginning or in the middle or maybe in the end, that also depends, so you can select that. These is the filter. There are different filters over here. You can select whichever you want, like whichever suits the video, you can select accordingly. Okay, and this is the font. If there is text, now I have not added any text, so the font will appear accordingly. Okay, and this is the outro. Now outro is basically, once the video comes to an end, as I said, there is no watermark. Okay, in this for this app there is no watermark. Now watermark is basically, now if you see my video here down, it shows a watermark. That is, the watermark is basically on which app the final editing is done. So I have done my final editing on Power Director, so it shows the watermark. But on this app it does not show any watermark, so this is one of the best feature about this app. Okay, so now outro, if you keep it on, then once your video gets over at the end, you'll get there as quick, QUIK. Okay, but you can keep it off as well. So if you keep it off, it won't appear, but if you keep it on, then it will appear. So it all depends on you. If you want to keep it on, you can keep it. If you want to keep it off, you can keep it off. So this is about, and then once you are done, you can just save it. So you can either save your video by share a link. If you share a link, then your video gets uploaded on internet, like only those people who have access to that link can open that video. Then you can send file, like whomever you want to share, you can share it with. Again, for Instagram stories. And yes, you can save without sharing. You can just save it and keep it. So this was about Quick App. So this is how Quick App actually works out. And as I said, the best features about this app is, firstly, you can download it on Android as well as iPhone. Secondly, it does not have a watermark. And thirdly, it is absolutely free, so you all can download this and make amazing videos. So this was all for today. If you guys like this video, do give a thumbs up, comment your views below, and also tell me what type of videos you all would like to see. And do subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so far. Till then, stay safe, take